What's the meaning of between? Between. Between.
Between. Between. Between is a preposition that is commonly used to indicate the position of objects or people in relation to each other. It refers to the space or area that exists between 2 points or objects, often indicating a boundary or midpoint. For example, when we say the store is located between the bank and the library, we mean that the store is positioned in the middle of the two buildings. Between can also be used to describe the relationship or difference between two things or ideas. It implies a choice or comparison, such as when we say I cannot decide between the red and blue dress.